Do you know division? Let us skip count up and skip count down. Do you know half of 1/3? The half of 1/3 is 1/6. Can you compare two containers of different shape but of the same size in the amount of liquid that they can hold? Write the multiples of any number up to multiple of 10. Then divide any multiple with the original number. What is the unit fraction of the whole 3? The unit fraction of whole 3 is 1/3. What is the unit fraction of the whole 2? The unit fraction of whole 2 is 1/2. Can you say the unit fraction of the whole 4? The unit fraction of whole 4 is 1/4. What is the halfway between 0 mile and 1 mile? The halfway between 0 mile and 1 mile is half mile. What is the halfway between 0 mile and half mile? The halfway between 0 mile and half mile is 1/4 mile. What is the halfway between half mile and 1 mile? The halfway between half mile and 1 mile is 3/4 miles. Do you know that equivalent fractions have the same value, because the same amount gets shaded? Do you know equivalent fractions are equal, because they are on the same point in the number line? What sign can be used to show that the equivalent fractions are equal? An equal sign. Can you circle the fractions that are equal to 1? 2/2 and 8/8 are the fractions that are equal to 1. Draw an oval around the fractions that is equal to 1/2 or 1/2. The fractions 4/8 is equal to 1/2. Draw an oval and show the fractions that are equal to 2. The fractions that is equal to 2 is 4/2 and 16/8. Draw an oval around the fractions that are equal to 3/2. The fraction that is equal to 3/2 is 12/8. Equivalent fractions are on the same point on the number line. 3/2 and 12/8 are equivalent fractions. Are 2/2 and 8/8 equivalent fractions? Yes, 2/2 and 8/8 are equivalent fractions, because they are on the same point. What fractions are equal to 1? 2/2 and 8/8 are equal to 1. True. False.